Hi guys!
Hi guys!
Today we will make Thai pomelo salad or Yum Som O.
Yum Som O!
Pomelo is the Asian grapefruit. You can also use other sweet style grapefruit to make this sweet, sour and slightly savory Thai salad, which make a great appetizer. There are two types of traditional Thai salad. One, yum, means a mix of things. And the other, som tam. Som means sour, tam means powdered. Thai yum salad has a gentler and less spicy Thai salad dressing, which go better with the juicy, sour and sweet and fruity taste of the pomelo. You can leave out the shrimp if you want a vegetarian version. So, let's go make something delicious. Katie wants to tell you about all the ingredients today. What is it?
Pomelo is a dry grapefruit. Shrimps is also prawns. Fish sauce, palm sugar, dry shrimp, lime, crispy onion,
Yes!
toasted coconut, and it's roasted coconut too.
What about this one?
Crispy garlic,
Last one.
tamarind paste.
Okay, I will show you how to peel the pomelo. Cut the skin off first. Be careful not to cut into the pomelo. When you get the started, you can just put it off like that. You don't have to take all the white bit off now because we're gonna take the skin inside off anyway. So we will do that later. Try to cut it where the segment is, then it will be easy and not cut the pomelo meat too much. Oops. Wow! There you go. You see the pomelo? Here. Very juicy. Put the flesh in the mix bowl. So we just break a little bit, not take it all out like that. We don't want that because we don't want the pomelo go too watery at the end. Let's make yum sauce. Fish sauce, palm sugar,
Hello!
tamarind
I'm
paste,
sneaking here eating the onion.
heat on.
Hello, Mommy.
Hello. Low heat to dissolve the palm sugar. Once the palm sugar dissolves, then we will turn the heat off. Let me taste.
Hello. Peekaboo.
Gonna add a little bit of fish sauce.
Hello.
A little bit. And then heat off. I didn't show oil in our ingredients, so I will add it now. Olive oil. Just fry the shrimp, right? In this process, you don't have to use much oil. Once the other side cook, turn it over. bit of yum sauce that I made earlier. Yum sauce I will add. I forgot to add lime juice, so I'll add it now.
Squeeze.
เก่งค่ะ อีกค่ะ 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 โอเค เก่งมากเลย
I want to do another one.
Now we ready to do Yum Som O, okay? Ow, my ingredients has gone.
It's all.
Good job that I have spare.
Now I'm gonna eat more.
Let's make Thai pomelo salad. Crispy onion.
No. One for me.
Hey, what you doing? Dry shrimp. Crispy garlic. Oh, not. I keep some for decorate on top.
Not much.
Roasted coconut. There. Shrimp. And then yum sauce.
I don't want to try it. Sorry.
And then mix all the ingredients together. Now it's time for eat. Juicy, sweet and a little bit sour and savory.